G'day cheeseburger lovers, it's Greg here. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be cooking something, a classic cheeseburger. These are so easy to make, you'll be wondering why you don't make them for breakfast, lunch and dinner. I know, I'm usually tempted to. But you know doctors, they always want to interfere with your life and to make you eat healthy things. Well, this is pretty healthy actually. Well, not really, but anyway, we're going to cook one anyway, and well, let me just show you how easy it is. Let's do it. So this is all the ingredients that you're going to be needing. Some meat. I like mine with a lot of fat in it, because fat means flavour, it means texture, it means everything good. Some tomato sauce, some mustard, some onion. I've got some pickles here, some cheese. This is plastic. Use whatever cheese you want, and a bread roll. Anyway, let's get the meat on. So I got this turned up nice and hot. Hopefully it's warm. Oh, yeah, that's hot. So now to do this, we just grab some meat. There's no fanciness needed when making a cheeseburger. So we just grab some meat, squish it down a bit, and then stick it in the pan. Now you will want to squish it out, make it pretty big, I guess. Maybe poke some end bits in. And we will need to salt it as well. Gee, that was a lot. And some pepper. And while that's cooking, I want to just dice a bit of onion. Get rid of that outside bit. Maybe cut this a little bit thinner. Now, I always get people complaining to me, Greg, you don't know how to cut an onion, so give up, mate. You know what I say to you? You give up complaining, because I don't care. So, nice little bits. And we'll grab our bread roll. Cut that in half. Now, it'd be pretty lousy if I didn't add butter onto that bread roll, hey, because, I mean, we all know the benefits of butter. Well, for starters, if you're not really that attractive, it makes you look 1,000,000,000% better. So we better get these on. Get those toasting away. And, ooh, look how juicy all that fat's coming out of this meat. Give that a flip. Oh, giddy up. Put some more pepper on that side. And some salt. And now once that's been cooking for a little while, we'll put some cheese on. Might as well add 2 bits of cheese, I reckon. Why not? I mean, it's a free country, right? And we all know the benefits of cheese, don't we? If you put that you like cheese on your Tinder profile, mate, you'll be getting swiped right all the time. And you know what? I reckon that's had enough time. Let's start putting this together. Alright, so that's the bottom bun. Oh yeah, that looks good. Let's stick our meat on it. Then we'll add some onions. Oh yeah. Raw onion. I love the taste of raw onion on my burgers. Now I've just got some tomato sauce here. Squirt some of that on. Now some mustard. I love mustard on my burgers. And now we just add some pickles. These are tiny ones. I'm going to add more than the restaurant shops add. And now we just need to add the bun on top. And there you have it. A super simple and easy cheeseburger, which I just threw together in no time at all. So easy to make. Let's dive on in. Oh yeah. Oh. You see how easy it is? And this burger all up, I reckon it cost me about $1.30. Pretty good value, huh? And by the time you would have got to the shops, you've already made it and you're eating it. So really simple, really easy, and definitely worth the time and effort in making your own, I reckon. Anyway, I'm going to sit here and enjoy the rest of it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. I also do food reviews, plenty of them too. But I also do cooking, and I like to stick to simple, healthy foods like this. None of that fancy stuff with ingredients that you've never heard of. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time for my next cooking video. See you then. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.